Hi, and welcome to the Working with redgreentree video, where we will give you a quick overview to navigate through our app. If you haven't done so already, we recommend you view our What is redgreentree and Why is it for me, and configuring and installing redgreentree prior to watching this video. In order to get started, you have to log into your redgreentree account. Go to redgreentree.com, click on the login button located in the header, and enter your account information. The main page contains 3 navigation bars. The left navigation bar is specific to your configuration and navigation of the app. The top navigation bar identifies your position within the app. For instance, you are now on the home page and have one child configured. It also contains a mobile view toggle. The right navigation bar is used for notification and communication. Selecting settings within the left navigation bar lets you enter credit card information for billing, as well as edit attributes associated with the parental account. Notice the PIN. The PIN is used on the child's device to toggle between parental mode and child mode. Policy is only enforced while the device is in child mode, so it's important to keep the PIN a secret so that your child doesn't toggle between modes at their discretion. If you forget your PIN, you can click it, change it, and select Update Basic Info. By selecting Manage Schedule for a given child, you can view and perform some advanced functions. The Always Available app card lets you globally set apps that are never blocked by a schedule. A green check indicates that the app is allowed, while the gray minus signs mean it is not. To enable or disable the global availability of an app, click on the indicator. We have found that most people set the following applications to Always Available: Calculator, Camera, Clock, Contacts, and Uber. Please remember to click on Update to save changes. The Currently Available Apps card identifies the schedule currently being enforced. In this case, we are within the homework schedule. This card is a high-level representation of the types of apps currently allowed. For a more detailed view, you can select Edit Schedule, where you can edit days and times the schedule is enforced, as well as the apps that are allowed within the schedule. Selecting a category in the left column displays the apps of the category type in the right column. A green check indicates that the app is allowed, while the gray minus signs mean it is not. Clicking on the indicators lets you change the application status, blocking or allowed, of an individual app. Alternatively, you can use the category status to allow all or block all apps within a given category. Remember to always save changes when you edit the schedule. You can add as many schedules as you like. Begin by clicking the Add Schedule card, giving it a name, selecting the days of the week and the time periods it applies to. In this case, we are creating a school night bedtime schedule. Then select Add Schedule. The default schedule blocks all apps, except those that are always allowed. In order to allow schedule-specific apps, you must enable them by selecting them and making them green. Remember to save your schedule by clicking Finish. Finally, you can enable or disable an individual schedule. This can be used to disable a school schedule during summer or winter vacation, March break, or reading week. redgreentree is built on a system of trust. We encourage you not to create schedules to render your child's device useless as a form of punishment. From the mobile app, the child has the ability to select and send app requests to the parent by clicking the app or apps, and then clicking the Send button located in the upper right corner. This request appears in the notifications location in the right navigation. You can choose to ignore the request or allow it as an always available app or to a specific schedule. Next is our notification or messaging service. It can only be used for parent-to-child communication and is a broadcast to the entire family. Give Reward function allows you to recognize your child's accomplishments by giving them the gift of time. You can give them unlimited time by selecting Until I Say So, or give them a set amount of free time. Remember to click Update. The disabled apps are now in the reward state and can be used by your child in an unlimited fashion. You can remove a reward state just as quickly by clicking Remove Reward. Thanks for watching.